So it's day 2 of my trip to Provenza. Like yesterday, we'll have a lot of things planned for today as well. Hopefully we'll go for cycling and we'll go for kayaking. I'm not so scared of water anymore, so that is good news. It's just looking so beautiful. The weather's looking great. I mean, we do have a forecast of rain between the day, but surely it won't be for that long. But in any case, first things first, let's go for some breakfast. Alright guys, so we just got done with breakfast and now we're headed to the beach for some kayaking lessons. So yeah, I'm so excited. I've done kayaking before, but just in very shallow waters I think, but never in the ocean. So yeah, I'm really excited. Let's go. Oh, kayaking!
I'm looking forward to the sea badgers. Strong. Dodge the badgers. It's going well.
So we just kayaked all the way to the Cleopatra Bay, and so we came all the way over there. I'm not sure if you can see it, and we kayaked all the way to that point over there, and that is Cleopatra's Bay, and up there is the Greece's biggest club. So if you fancy clubbing in Greece, might as well just come to the Cleopatra Bay. And yeah, aren't the views so stunning? Oh, beautiful, aren't they? James, how do you feel?
It's good, it's good. Nice weather, good sunshine, nice easy paddle.
You're taking your boat for a walk?
Yeah, it needs the exercise. It gets restless at its own.
So we just kayaked our way to a very beautiful cafe. We're just going to have a few drinks and yeah, and then we're going to head back to the Paleros beach. It is so beautiful. The waters were so clear. Alright peeps, so I've just kayaked my way to the Amos cafe here in Greece, and kayaked my way in Greece. These things I don't really understand, I'm not able to comprehend them, and it's not really hit me. I think I'm going to absorb it when I get back to England, but for now, check out the views! Aren't they gorgeous? We're probably going to cycle into the local town after kayaking back all the way from where we started, and then we're going to go into the local town, cycle around and check out the local town. Alright guys, so now we're heading back to the mainland, and is James paddling again and me making a video. James, how do you feel? You're not going to partner?
Feeling strong.
He's not going to go with me next time. But yeah, once in a while.
Bye.
So we just got done with kayaking and now we've got some free time, so I'm going to use this time to charge my batteries and then head out for a few shots of this place. It's just so wonderful and I haven't had a chance to really you know, capture really nice beautiful shots, so I'm going to do that and then we're going to head for lunch. I just can't wait, I'm just so hungry, and then we're going to go for cycling. Let's see how many people I crash into today. So yeah, looking forward to it, Alright guys, so we just got done with lunch and now we're going for a cycling tour around the local town. So yeah, it's super hot, so just covered myself up, put my cap on, and yeah, let's go and cycle Paleros. Guys, so we cycled for about 2.5 kilometers and we've come to a bar for just some drinks and just to cool off a bit, but the views are so amazing. Check this out. Oh, I can barely see, but oh, it's so beautiful. Peeps, so we're all done with cycling. I also went for swimming, thanks to everyone on the trip pushing me, all the lovely ladies. I am so incredibly thankful to you guys. I mean, if you're watching this, seriously, I mean, I couldn't have done it without you. And I swam, I floated, and for me these things are really you know, huge, because I'm actually so scared of water. Yeah, so thank you so much once again. I really owe it to you guys. And now we're all gonna go for dinner, and yeah, I think we'll just call it a night then. Yeah, so this brings us to the end of day 2, and we've got a lot of things lined up for tomorrow as well. So yeah, stay tuned for my day 3 video, and I'll see you later.